No, VR, don't do this. Don't be a mental piece of... You know. But then, if I said it, my video would have to be flagged inappropriate. Oh no! This is dumb. This is dumb. This is so stupid. Okay. I'm gonna get in trouble now if I don't take these stupid plates out of my mom's room. So I'm gonna have to pause the match and you just watch okay, so yeah. Okay. It's so dumb. I'll be back. But just wait for now.